Hi artists, this is Mrs. Yiser. I'm one of the art teachers here in the district, and I'm going to show you how to work with a prompt that says, draw 2 scribble lines on one page of your notebook and then turn them into a creature. If you have markers or crayons, consider coloring your creature with only 4 colors. So to begin, you're going to want to get a blank piece of paper, whether it's in a notebook or maybe a piece of printer paper or whatever you have at home. And you're going to start with a pencil or a marker, whatever you have, by making 2 scribble lines. I'm doing it in Sharpie so that it shows up really well on the video. So let me just move this a little closer. All right, so to begin, I'm just going to randomly make 2 lines. That's 1. Now that's a little bit of a loopy-loop line, so I'm going to try not to be too complicated with both my lines. All right, so there I go. I made 2 lines. Now, I always suggest turning your book and just looking at it from different angles because something might jump out at you. You might see a creature or design in it if you turn it. So this is going to really challenge your imagination and make you think a little bit harder about what you're doing. So I'm gonna actually leave it like this because I see a creature automatically. So I'm going to turn this into an eye. This feels like its head. This area for me feels like its mouth that is opened. So my creature, I'm drawing my whole picture in black first. So there's its eye. His nose. You guys seeing it? It's really funny. Maybe I'll make these look like bumps over its back, sort of like a dinosaur kind of thing. Maybe I want to make some scales. Maybe I want to make just a line here to show like this could be like the belly and it'll be a different color. Not exactly sure what this could be, but maybe it'll have some gills, sort of like a fish. So this is my creature, and I think I'm done actually with adding the designs and the details. So now I can go ahead and pick some sort of color to work with. So I have a box of crayons here. So I'm going to pick 4 colors. That's what the prompt says. So let's see. I'm going to actually pick a green, a yellow, a turquoise blue, and a dark blue. So now I can start coloring it in. And I'm going to basically just have fun with this. I like to, when I color, I like to outline first, pressing nice and hard with my crayons and colored pencils, and then I'll color in pressing softly. Another cool thing you could do if you have materials, so if you have markers, you could outline everything that you want to color in marker first. So I'm using a yellow marker and then I'm coloring in with a yellow crayon. That really helps your drawing to sort of stand out. So just pretend that you have markers. Then you would take your turquoise and then you could color it in. This just shows up a little better so that you can see what I'm talking about. But if you don't have markers, you could use crayons or colored pencils in a similar way where you're pressing hard to outline and then coloring and pressing softly. So I would just keep going with this and have fun coloring in after I'm done with only 4 colors. So I'm going to continue my the spine of my animal here, my creature, with the turquoise, and then maybe I'll color in his skin or her skin with the green, and then the mouth I can do some sort of a blue. Or maybe I want to change the color and do something different. But here it is. Have fun with it. It's a pretty cool project that really stretches your imagination, and there's really no wrong answers here. So just challenge yourself and enjoy the process. And keep making art, you guys. We all miss you so much. Hope everybody's doing well.